Morning, another day, another walk, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Scarpa Men's ZG Pro GORE-TEX walking boots. So this is them. I've got them in the brown and like an orange detail. They do come in a grey, but Go Outdoors didn't have the grey. Plus, brown's quite easy to maintain, isn't it? So straight away, the start of the boot, got this tougher toe. So if you are walking and any rocks or anything, when you hit your toe, that's going to be protect your foot and protect your boot. You got extra ventilation holes. Obviously, with it being Gore-Tex, it is breathable, and this will help any moisture that your foot is sweating. That will help the moisture get out of your boot. It's got like a leather material, Gore-Tex membrane underneath. Now the eyelets, you got so one pair, 2, 3. Then you got a locking pair, and then 2 locking pairs higher up. So the eyelets move quite a lot, okay? And also with that walking motion, that will help your boot nice and tight instead of gradually wearing and stopping it coming off. So I'll just undo the laces so we can have a look a bit more inside. So there we go. So obviously on the tongue, it comes up to give you a higher amount of waterproof, so the water level has to get all the way up here before it starts to seep in through the top. Inside, you've got really soft material, and then it's quite a cushion actually. In there it does actually say the Scarpa Comfort. I mean, it is my first pair of Scarpa boots, so I don't know what the other ones are like, comfort compared to not comfort, we'll see. Lots of decent tread on the sole, with this like X running down the side, and then got your make there. Top part round here is much softer leather compared to hard leather down here, so more protection, and then for your ankle lots more of soft but sturdy support, which you want. I tend to have quite wide feet, but these were fine for me. I did have to go a size up though, well, half a size up, because the way Scarpa do it, they were doing the half sizes. So I'm normally a 10 and these are a 10.5, so I do suggest getting that extra half a size up for a bit of comfort. Ideally, if you can, when you're spending this amount of money, you want to go and try them on first. And then you've got the Gore-Tex there. Personally, I think it's the best membrane you can get. I wouldn't choose anything different. My wife went with a different brand of membrane, waterproof membrane, and was let down. Let me know what your preference is, whether it's Gore-Tex or if you found a different membrane that works for you. Let me know that in the comments. There was a few other boots I was looking at, but they didn't all have this, and it's the smallest thing, but it makes a big difference to me. Let me know if it makes a difference to you. But this little ring pull at the back of the boot, this makes life so much easier. When you're getting your boot on, you can pull it up, or even to hold on to if you're getting your boot off. Something as simple as that can really make a boot for me. Now, in Go Outdoors, these are £198. The recommended retail price is £220. You might be able to get it cheaper, or it might be more expensive elsewhere, I don't know. I paid a little less than £198 because my wife gets a discount at Go Outdoors. You can feel the quality of the boot. Scarpa, they're a well-known brand. They feel quality. I'm hoping these are going to be fantastic. I'm leaving the tags on while I wear them a couple of days around the house, just to make sure there's no heat spots and they fit my feet properly while I break them in. And then obviously when I go outside for the first time, I'll take those tags off. Trying them on with just a pair of walking socks. I like my boots nice and tight. So I've had these boots on for about an hour now. I've been walking around the house, bits and bobs, up and down the stairs, and I find them really comfy. So fingers crossed, I'm onto a winner. I can feel the quality. They cushion my feet really well. Obviously, I am only indoors, so that's all I can say. If you have got the boots and you've tested them outside or have had them for a while, let me know what they're like in the comments. I will do a personal review after a few months, a few 100 miles, and then potentially maybe one in a year or so time. And I'll leave that up there once it's done. So that's all from me, Rob, and goodbye from another day, another walk.